One of the things about Premiere Pro CC, that's the Creative Cloud version, is that when I do an autosave, it then saves it into the Creative Cloud, which is really handy because it's now putting a copy there as well. You can also get it to put the current version. It's really, really easy to do, and I have it switched on all the time. I'm here on a Mac, but on Windows, you need to go into Preferences, which you would do by going into Edit and then Preferences, whereas here on the Mac, you get to your preferences by going into Premiere Pro, Preferences, and then choosing Autosave. And you can see here I've got it switched on, Save Backup Project to Creative Cloud. I can also, Autosave also saves the current project, which I think is a really good idea. It is set to save every 15 minutes, and it's saying the maximum number of project versions is 20. I've got the automatically save project switched on at the top. So good idea, all three of these switched on, and it will be backing up without you even having to worry about it and then worrying about copying it onto another drive. So I'm going to click on OK there. How do I then get to those files if I need them? Well, you just have to go to adobe.com and log in. So let's go over to my browser now. All I need to do is go to adobe.com. So you can see I'm already logged in and you can see some of my recent work here. So it's backing things up. Where I'll find these files is at the top here where it says Your Work. Click there. It goes to my files and you can see that there's a folder here called Premiere Pro. If I click on that, and then click on 14.0, which is the version. And then I've got my Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder. There you go. There's all of my files here, all of the projects, not the media. The media might be saved somewhere online, but I haven't got it here. This is just projects. That's the thing that's changing all the time. So good practice is to make sure you've backed up your media, make sure you've got the Creative Cloud backup on as well, and then you know your files are pretty much safe. This is how I work and I really like it, and it saves me having to make copies at the end of every day. To get one of these, I could just go to here where I've got my three little dots and I could download it if I ever needed to get to that again. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like it, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.